YouTube, man, what's going on? It's your boy Marcel. Alright, in today's video, I'm gonna show y'all a list of things or tips y'all need to do to keep your waves looking good. Alright, man, so the first tip is woofing. You wanna make sure you woof your hair out. If you have 360 waves, I'm gonna go ahead and do a twirl for y'all real quick. I'm actually speed it up and show y'all how my hair is looking right now. Let's get into the next tip. So the next tip to make sure your waves stay good looking or flawless, you want to make sure you wash your hair 2 times a week. I wash my hair. If you want to, use my washing schedule, I wash my hair Monday and Fridays. Also, the shampoo I use is the shea butter. It's shea moisturizer, my bad. You can get this from the salon. Very, very easy product to use. Very, very cheap product. It's like, what, $12? Very cheap. Also, if you're gonna be washing your hair, make sure you have a good product. I recommend that product because it don't have no sulfates and ain't gonna mess up your hair. And so the next tip is you wanna make sure you comb your hair. Combing your hair is essential if you wanna make sure your waves are staying good. Here, it helps with deepening your connections, making sure your waves are loose so when you hit it with that hard brush. If you're woofing, you want to make sure you're combing at least every single day after your brush session. Alright, man, next tip you want to do to keep your waves looking nice, you want to go ahead and get your brush. Make sure you're brushing for at least 30 minutes to an hour, especially if you are trying to go to advanced or if you're a beginner. So definitely make sure you brush 30 minutes to an hour. It's very, very essential. Very, very smooth. Very, very clean. You know what I'm saying? So you must do that if you want to keep your waves looking nice year round or just for the meantime. Alright, man, the next thing or the next tip you want to do is you want to make sure you add oil or some type of product to your hair that's good for you. I recommend if you're a 360 waver, use oils. Oils really help with your hair and really help with getting that nice lay and that nice shine. Also, you want to make sure you add 2 layers of the oil to your hair. So your hair can be nice and silky. Nice and silky. Nice and silky. Apply it to the sides. And you can apply it to your eyebrows if you would like to. And your facial hair. Next tip you want to do is you want a plastic bag method. You want to go ahead and just lay your hair all the way down with the plastic bag. You go around first, starting in the front. So the benefits of the plastic bag helps laying down your frizz, helps with just your waves overall laying down, looking more laid. When your hair looks more laid, in my opinion, it looks really, really silky, especially after you add the oil. Set the crown. You gotta make sure you hit your crown. You wanna make sure your crown is laid because this is where your hair is growing. Alright, man, the next tip is if you want to keep your 360 waves nice, you want to make sure you're changing your do-rag. I have a lot of black do-rags. Favorite color is kind of like black, maybe white, but I usually wear black. But you want to make sure you change your do-rags because you can get buildup. If you work out a lot or you play sports, you can get dirt caught up in here. And if you do a wash and style and then you put back on a dirty do-rag, that's kind of just going backwards, right? So we don't want to do that. Make sure you change your do-rag. This tip is really your preference, but it's like a bonus tip. Get a lineup, get a taper, get a back taper. You know, if you want your waves to look real nice, real crisp. If you do all them tips I told you, get your, you know, wash and stuff, get your schedule set up, and then you finally get the lineup, your waves will be looking super icy. All right, man, if you stayed tuned to the whole video, smash that like button. Also, hit that notification button so you'll know when I'm uploading videos. All right, man, it's your boy Marcel. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.